This is our ZOLLER smileCompact machine. This is our perfect entry-level tool presetter for anybody that's thinking about moving to offline tool presetting. It has a capacity up to 350mm in Z and 320mm in diameter. It runs our touchscreen pilot starter software, which is just our quick, easy software for anybody that's going to be new to this kind of technology. On the machine we've got our SK50 precision spindle, and we put a 40 taper adapter in there to suit the tools we're about to measure. To show you how quick and easy it is to measure tools, I take my end mill here, we're going to load it in, we're going to bring the camera down, and then it's going to automatically snap on the edge for us. And we can measure this in a few ways. We can measure one edge, we can measure each individual edge, or just get the highest Z and the highest X value. I'm just going to quickly get the highest X and Z, which then what we're going to do is put it into crisp 360 mode. We're going to rotate this around 360mm, for 360 degrees. Press OK, press measure, and then that gives us our values then. We can then put that on a sticker. We can then go to the machine and input that information in. If you want any more information around the machine, or you want to book in for a demonstration, then get in contact with us or visit our website.